Hello. I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to put the oil on your diffuser necklace, and this works similarly on the essential oil charm. And my name is Michelle Hauser, and I am a star designer with Keep Collective. So I love this necklace because it has the 4 different lengths on it. And if you look, this is how you wear it on the front, and you can see how it has the openings here for the oils to diffuse out. And if you turn it over, you can see how it opens on the back, and there's this little place right here you can stick your thumb in, and it just pops open like that. There's this little magnetic closure right here. And what you'll do is you'll just kind of pop it out like this. You will drop your essential oils on the ceramic, let them completely absorb onto the ceramic disc before you put them back into the tray. And then you will just put the tray back into the magnet, back in, and pop that back in like this. And that's how it will work for the necklace. Now, I will come back in just a minute and show you how it works with the charm. So here is the charm in silver, and you can see how beautiful it is here with the howlite on either side. And this is a little bit different. So here you can see how it would flip down again. You kind of get your finger under, oops, wait, maybe, yeah, on the other side here. And my nails are terrible, I apologize. But you flip it down, and this time it's going to come out, and this one is in a little bit of a metal tray rather than just the disc by itself. And again, you would just tap on your oils onto this disc, let it absorb, put it back into the tray. Then I should have let this stay out, but it popped back in. But you would let this then come out. And how I would do it is probably push it back in like this and let that magnet pop back in like that. Then you would just take this and you would just slide it right onto your bracelet or your necklace like this. And there you have it. That is how you do your essential oils charm. And then you can see how it would just diffuse right out there. Absolutely beautiful and easy to do. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions. My contact information is Michelle Keep Designs at gmail.com. Bye-bye.